Sabah everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk to you guys about the ZeroLemon 135 watt extreme charge station. They're trying to offer us basically the ultimate charging station in a small form factor, and of course the ability of charging almost anything we can connect to it, up to 6 different things at the same time, including an Apple Watch, of course, as well as wireless charging for our smartphones. This is TK. Let's go ahead and check out the brand new 135 watt ZeroLemon extreme charge station. Like and subscribe and make sure you hit that bell icon so that you're always aware whenever we put out new videos on the channel. But today we're going to talk about that ZeroLemon 135 watt charger, well, charging station, this guy. Now, if you've ever heard of the ZeroLemon name, it's mostly around extended charging cases. They're basically cases that have a built-in battery that enables you to extend the battery life of your device. And we've seen it for iPhone, Android devices, Pixel, all sorts of devices. And that's what ZeroLemon is known for, battery packs and extended battery life for a lot of devices. And what they're offering us today essentially is a one-stop solution for charging, but again, no included battery here. This is going to be a wired connection, but it enables us to almost charge anything, even a MacBook Pro, as well as the fact that we can charge an Apple Watch and any Qi-enabled smartphone or even Qi-enabled device like the Samsung Galaxy Buds. You can actually put them on the top and charge them. Now, the main use of this is primarily geared towards iOS users, but I would say that outside of the fact that this charges an Apple Watch on the top right, for the most part, it works great as a standard charging station for almost anything else that you could use. Now, as I mentioned to you guys, there's 4 ports on the front. There's 2 USB-C and 2 USB-A. Now, the USB-C ports here, the first one is an 87 watt charging port. The second one is up to 20 watts. And those are going to be really good for, let's say, tablets, as well as the fact that you can charge your MacBook Pro. Now, the USB type A sides that we have here, we have 2 of them, and they're both at 5 volt at 3.5 amps up to 15 watts. Now, to the right and left of the actual charging ports, we have a power button as well as an actual indicator to be able to see what level of voltage we're actually drawing out of the unit itself. And with the power button, there's a small green LED light that basically just lights downwards, just to let you know that the actual unit is on. The fans are pointing backwards, so you'll never see them directly blowing air towards you, and it sucks in air from the sides and then just draws the heat to the back and basically keeps it cool the way it's intended. The overall consensus of this essentially is if you're looking for a single power station or a single charging solution for your desk, that you don't want to have so many different chargers, so many cables running and whatever, this actually will end up being the best solution that you can get with it. Because on top of the fact that it can charge your laptop, your tablets, your smartphones, your Apple Watch, which is also a very unique thing, it actually also offers us the ability of basically keeping it quiet, nice and clean, and you have the ability of shutting it down when you don't need to use it. And that's something that could also come down and help you out with power consumption, because you actually are able to leave this thing off as opposed to switching it at the wall. All of this is connected via one wire directly into the wall, so you don't have to run multiple chargers. And again, it just makes things so much simpler. This should be a really good complement for basically any office, nightstand, or any environment where you need to charge multiple devices at the same time, but don't want to have 6 different chargers plugged into a power strip in the back of your device. So from an organization standpoint, I think this is a great deal. Let me know what you guys think about this brand new 135 watt charging station from ZeroLemon. Again, they're great with extended battery power packs. And of course, like and subscribe as usual. I can't say that enough. Thank you very much for the support. I'll see you guys in the next video.